So you're thinking about moving to Coeur Dalene, Idaho, and you're asking yourself, are there any homes priced under $400,000? Well, if that question has been keeping you up at night, you're in the right spot, because that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. I'm going to take you to 4 homes in Coeur Dalene that are priced under $400,000. If you had asked me last year or the year before if you could find a home for under $400,000, I would have laughed at you, because they were almost non-existent, and the ones that did come up were pretty much teardowns. This year, things are looking a lot better, courtesy of the extremely high interest rates. So prices have come down a little bit, and now we're seeing some homes that are not teardowns, that are under $400,000 here in Coeur Dalene. Keep in mind, if you head over to Post Falls or Rathdrum, you can still find a higher inventory of homes in that price range, but here in Coeur Dalene, they're a little bit harder to find. So if that's a video you're looking for, you're in the right spot. Stick around to the very end. I've got lots of great information for you, as always. All right, let's go check them out right now. Hey, if this is your first time to the channel, be sure to subscribe and tap that notifications bell so you can be the first to learn about the current market conditions here in North Idaho. My name is Seth. I'm a former police officer. I work with my lovely and talented wife, Kristen, and we get calls, texts, and emails all the time from people just like you trying to get more information about North Idaho. So whether you're looking to move right now or 12 months from now, give us a call, text, or email. We would love to help you make that smooth move right here to North Idaho. First stop of the day. This is a great neighborhood full of older homes. The location is what's really good about this one, and I'll tell you why in a second. But we are just across the street. Down there behind me is Northwest Boulevard. Right across that is Riverstone and the Riverstone district. So you've got tons of shopping, restaurants, all of that stuff right there. The house I'm about to show you is a 2-bed, 1-bath. It's small, 776 square feet, but it's got a 680 square foot unfinished basement that you could finish to add a little bit more square footage. It's currently used as a rental, and it's renting for $1,600 a month. So where this could be really good is as a rental for a traveling nurse, because we're less than a mile from Kootenai Hospital. So this is the house behind me. Like I said, it's a 2-bed, 1-bath, built in 1948. And nice and cute. Just needs some updating, or rent it as is and buy it for that income property, use it for a traveling nurse or something like that. It's inevitable that I'm going to forget something, and of course I did. In that last house, I forgot to tell you the price. $399,000 for that last one. So we've jumped across town here. We're still obviously in Coeur Dalene. We are east of 95 and north of 90. So there's a little section here, Campfield Mountains over to my right, back over that way. So that's kind of give you a little idea what part of town we're in. Once again, older neighborhood and a lot of smaller homes here, so they're more moderately priced, so you can find some decent deals here. The next one we're going to talk about is this corner lot right here. It has RV parking as well, which is a cool feature, and it's a 2-bed, 1-bath, built in 1993. It's also 768 square feet, and this one is listed at $339,000. So that might be the best value home we're looking at today. It's, like I said, right here on the corner. Pretty quiet streets. This street here to my right, this is 11th Street. This is 11th Street. Can't remember the name of this one, but it's got a little bit more traffic, so just something to keep in mind. You are on that corner spot. A little bit of traffic here. This one's pretty quiet. So good location, centrally located here in Coeur Dalene, and could be a good option for someone looking to get in the market at a lower price. Next stop on the tour. This one has, I think, the most value of the homes we're going to look at today. It's actually looks like a pretty good deal to me. Hey, bonus footage, by the way. Check out the colors and the foliage behind me. These mature trees are absolutely gorgeous. So we are about I don't know, half-mile south of the home we just checked out. And so this neighborhood has a very similar feel. You'll see in some of the driving shots, it looks pretty much the same. A lot of these older homes, still quiet streets, a little more packed in, I feel like. Lots of cars parked on the street, but that's the reality of it. And this home here, like I was saying, it seems to be a pretty good value. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, built in '58, and it's at 2,238 square feet. This one right behind me here. And that square footage includes a finished basement. It's got a 0.21 acre lot, so a pretty big lot, and obviously big mature trees, which is a super nice addition here. Fully fenced backyard. So you've got quite a bit more space here, and that price range is still under $400,000. This one's listed at $395,000. So pretty darn good value for that square footage. Remember, this is not Arkansas. This is Coeur Dalene, Idaho. So I know that price sounds crazy to some, but in reality, I mean, this is what you get here in Coeur Dalene. So to find something under $400,000 with 2,200 square feet, of course, I'm sure it needs some TLC, but still, that's a good value for that size of home right here in Coeur Dalene. All right, we got one more. Let's go check it out. So most people consider downtown Coeur Dalene to be the area south of Harrison Street, and that's where we're at now. This next house kind of sits behind Bryan Elementary and right on the edge of the Garden District. So it's cute houses, once again, very old. The neighborhood kind of feels the same as the last few, except I'm seeing more updated homes here as we get into that downtown area. So let me get out of the way so I don't get hit by a car. The home is right here behind me. It's a very cute little cottage. It's been remodeled in 2016. It was built in 1905, so it's pretty old. It's a 2-bed, 1-bath, 1,076 square feet, and it's got a plumbed and heated extra building behind it. They're calling it a studio, so there could be the option there for an ADU or something. But once again, we're right on the edge of the Garden District. It's really cute down here. Lots of cool homes and a very close proximity to downtown Coeur Dalene, Midtown, things like that. So it's a good location right here. This one is listed at $399,900. Thank you guys for joining us on this tour of homes under $400,000 in Coeur Dalene, Idaho. If you have specific questions about any of the homes we showed today or any other homes here, or need help with a home search, please give us a call, text, or email. We would love to help you with that. And remember, if you're looking to move right now or 12 months from now, give us a call, text, or email. We'd love to help you make that smooth move right here in North Idaho.